Hello students. In 10th topic magnetic field due to an electric current. In previous lecture we have discussed about the magnetic force on a straight wire carrying a current. Now we are going to discuss magnetic force on an arbitrary shaped wire. Arbitrary shaped means an irregular shaped wire as shown in figure. Suppose a wire of any or irregular shape carrying current I placed in external magnetic field perpendicular to the wire. Then the magnetic force exerted on this wire can be determined. To determine the magnetic force acting on this wire, consider a small segment dl along the length of wire. So calculate the magnetic force exerted on this small segment dl, and that force is also small. So that force is dfm is equal to I dl, I into vector dl cross vector b. This is the force exerted on small segment dl. We have to determine the total force acting on this whole wire. So to obtain the total force on the total length of wire, we have to integrate this equation 1. So by integrating this d of m, we get total force vector fm is equal to integration over I vector dl cross vector b. Okay. Now take the constant terms outside the integration. I is constant and applied external magnetic field is also constant. So both are taken outside the integration. So the total force acting on the whole wire is this equation. Okay. Thus we can calculate the total force exerted on any arbitrary shaped wire. Now we are going to calculate the magnetic force acting on a closed circuit. In a closed circuit, when it is placed in external magnetic field B. Closed circuit means like this. Suppose both the terminals or ends of a conducting wire are connected. Such a loop is called as closed circuit. So we have to determine the total magnetic force exerted on this closed circuit. Suppose circuit C. To calculate total force on closed circuit, we have to integrate the same equation 1. We have to take closed integration over equation 1. So we get total force Fm is equal to closed integration I vector dl cross vector b. Here also take the constant terms outside the bracket or integration. So I and b are constant, so taken outside the closed integration. For a closed circuit, the total force acting on this closed circuit is 0. So the magnetic force exerted on closed circuit is equal to 0 because the magnetic field is uniform. So this was about the magnetic force acting on a straight wire and any arbitrary shaped wire and on a closed circuit. So thank you students.